Hey everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. So today we're going to be doing an experiment on density. Now density is quite a tricky word to explain, but simply it means the weight of something in relation to a weight of something in the same category. So we're going to be doing the density of liquids. So that means that I'm going to show you 3 different types of liquids, and we're going to see in the liquid category which one is heavier and which one is lighter. Okay, so let me show you what you need and then go wash your hands, get your goodies, and then come back. All right, so on our tray, we need a glass jar to pour all the liquids in. We need a cloth to mop up all the spills, and then I have 3 yogurt tubs. In my first yogurt tub, I have 5 teaspoons of sugar in some water that's dissolved. Then I've added some red food coloring so it's easier to see the different layers. In my second yogurt cup, I've got 5 teaspoons of dishwashing liquid with some green food coloring and some water also to see what it looks like. And then in the last one, I've got some oil. I haven't put food coloring in the oil because we don't really need that. It's already yellow. So quick sticks, go get what you need and then we'll get started. Okay, fantastic. So I'm going to show you how we do this and we're going to see which liquid is heavier and which liquid is lighter of the 3. Now, it's important when you do this experiment to tip your jar on its side and to pour the liquid in very slowly. And it needs to almost run down the side of the jar on the inside. Okay, so I'll start with the sugar water. Good. Then I'm going to do the oil next. There you go. So now you can see the sugar water at the bottom and the oil at the top. So technically meaning that means that the sugar water weighs more than the oil in this glass jar. And now we're going to add the soapy water. There we go. So, if I look at this, can you see our sugar water's at the bottom, then we've got our soapy water, and then we've got our oil. So that means the heaviest liquid out of these 3 liquids is the sugar water, then it's the soapy water, and then it's the oil. Now you can use different food colorings if you want, and you don't have to use food colorings. It's up to you. I hope you guys have enjoyed this experiment. Please let me know how yours turns out and send me lots of photos. Okay, have a good day. Bye.